Imagine a world so far from our sun that sunlight takes more than 5 hours just to reach it. A place where the temperature drops to around minus 230 degrees Celsius, so cold that if you took a glass of water there, it would freeze instantly into something harder than ice, almost like solid rock. And here's the craziest part. On that world, a single year takes 248 Earth years to complete. That means if you were born there, you still wouldn't have celebrated your first birthday yet. This mysterious world is called Pluto, a place that was once known as the 9th planet of our solar system. But today, it's no longer on that list. So in this video, we're going to explore what Pluto really is, why it's so unique, and whether life could possibly exist there. Let's start from the very beginning. If you've ever looked up at the night sky, you probably know just how massive our solar system is. Orbiting around the Sun are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But there was a time when that list included one more name: Pluto. It was considered the 9th and farthest planet in our solar system. However, in 2006, scientists removed Pluto from that list and officially classified it as a dwarf planet. Now you might be wondering, how does an entire planet just get demoted like that? Let's understand the story behind it. Back in 1930, a 23-year-old American astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh was working at the Lowell Observatory in Arizona. His job was to take images of the night sky and search for anything new. At that time, astronomers compared photos taken on different nights. If a tiny point of light changed position, it meant it wasn't a distant star. It could be a planet or an asteroid. On February 18, 1930, Clyde noticed something unusual: a small point of light moving, and it was located far beyond Neptune. Soon after, on March 13, 1930, the world was officially informed a new planet had been discovered. Then came the question of naming it. An 11-year-old girl named Venetia Burney suggested the name Pluto, inspired by the Roman god of the underworld. Considering how dark and distant this world was, the name fit perfectly. And just like that, Pluto got its name, and for the next 76 years, it remained the 9th planet. Then came the year 2006. The International Astronomical Union, or IAU, made a major decision. Pluto would no longer be considered a planet. Why? Because to be classified as a planet, an object must meet 3 criteria. First, it must orbit the Sun. Second, it must have enough gravity to form a nearly round shape. And third, it must have cleared its orbit of other objects. Pluto meets the first 2 conditions, but fails the third. That's because it exists in a region called the Kuiper Belt, where many similar objects orbit the Sun alongside it. And because of that, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Now let's talk about some fascinating facts. Pluto is actually smaller than our Moon. Its diameter is about 2,374 kilometers, while the Moon's diameter is about 3,475 kilometers. One of Pluto's most famous features is a heart-shaped region on its surface, known as Tombaugh Regio. Its orbit is also very unusual. Sometimes it even comes closer to the Sun than Neptune. Pluto has 5 moons: Charon, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx. It also has mountains made of ice, but not water ice. These are made of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Pluto even has a thin atmosphere that changes over time, and its surface appears reddish-brown due to complex organic molecules called tholins. Now comes the biggest question. Could life exist on Pluto? If we're talking about life like on Earth, then the answer is almost certainly no. The temperatures are extremely low, there's no liquid water on the surface, and the atmosphere is far too thin. However, some research suggests something very interesting. Pluto might have a hidden ocean beneath its surface. If that's true, then it's possible that microscopic life could exist there. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons mission flew past Pluto and sent back incredible images. Those images revealed that Pluto is actually geologically active. There are glaciers and possibly even ice volcanoes. So this is not a completely dead world after all. Still, there's a lot we don't know. Pluto reminds us that science is always evolving. And beyond what we already understand, there are still countless mysteries waiting to be discovered. Maybe one day, humans will reach Pluto and finally see this strange and distant world with their own eyes. And if you want to explore more mysterious worlds like this, make sure to subscribe to the MindNet channel, because out there in the universe, there are still countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. And we're just getting started.